Ever felt that modern garden decor looks beautiful, but empty? Too perfect, too new, too lifeless. So many gardens today are filled with shiny decorations, yet they have no story, no warmth, no soul. If your outdoor space feels cold or unfinished, it's not because you need more money. It's because it needs meaning. Welcome to Relaxed Garden Herb. Today, we're exploring creative rustic garden decor using upcycled and reclaimed pieces where old materials turn into timeless beauty. This video is filled with upcycled rustic garden decor, reclaimed with garden ideas, and rustic upcycled outdoor decor that proves the most beautiful gardens aren't bought, they're created. We'll show you DIY reclaimed garden features, upcycled pallet garden projects, rustic junk garden decor, and reclaimed materials garden DIY that feel warm, nostalgic, and deeply personal. From vintage upcycled yard art and rustic recycled garden treasures to upcycled garden furniture rustic, reclaimed metal garden accents, and boho rustic upcycled decor, every idea brings charm without waste. You'll discover thrifted rustic garden makeovers, upcycled bottle garden decor, rustic salvage with projects, and rustic garden decor from junk that turn trash into treasure. This is eco-friendly rustic garden ideas, farmhouse garden decor upcycled, and budget rustic garden decor ideas at their finest. So stay with us till the end, because your garden's most beautiful feature might already be waiting in what you almost threw away. The heart of rustic upcycled gardens is reclaimed wood that's weathered, worn, imperfect, yet full of character. Old pallets become planters. Broken fences turn into borders. Salvaged planks transform into benches, shelves, and garden signs. These reclaimed wood garden ideas add instant warmth and authenticity. They feel grounded, honest, timeless. This is the beauty of rustic salvage wood projects. They don't try to look new. They proudly show their age. Think creatively. A wooden ladder becomes a vertical planter. Old crates stack into rustic shelving. A discarded door becomes a garden backdrop. These are rustic DIY garden decor ideas that cost little, but feel priceless. Combine wood with greenery to soften the look. Let ivy climb. Let flowers spill. Let nature take control. This creates old wood garden decor rustic charm that feels peaceful and lived in. Add small details, hand-painted signs, carved names, subtle stains to personalize your space. This is reclaimed materials garden design that tells your story. If you love thrifted garden decor rustic style, reclaimed wood is your foundation. It works beautifully in rustic outdoor decor, reclaimed with themes and blends effortlessly with stone, metal, and plants. Rustic gardens aren't rushed. They grow slowly, just like memories. Now comes the most magical part, junk that becomes art. Rustic gardens shine when you embrace creativity. Old watering cans become planters. Broken pots turn into fairy corners. Rusted buckets overflow with flowers. This is rustic garden decor from junk, and it's beautiful. Explore trash to treasure garden decor by reimagining everyday waste. Glass bottles become edging or hanging lights. This creates charming upcycled bottle garden decor that sparkles in the sun. Metal adds contrast. Use old tools, wheels, or frames as reclaimed metal garden accents. Their patina adds depth and history, perfect for vintage rustic garden upcycling. Add movement and personality with vintage upcycled yard art. Old bicycle planters, window frames, shutters, or mirrors reflecting greenery. These become rustic recycled garden treasures that make your space unforgettable. Furniture matters too. Create upcycled garden furniture, rustic seating using pallets, crates, or salvaged wood. Add cushions for comfort and warmth. This instantly creates cozy gathering spots. This style works perfectly for repurposed garden decor, rustic, eco-friendly rustic garden ideas, and budget rustic garden decor ideas. Because beauty doesn't need waste. Your garden becomes a canvas. Your imagination becomes a designer. Rustic gardens remind us of something important. Beauty doesn't come from new things. It comes from care, creativity, and heart. When you use upcycled rustic garden decor, reclaimed materials, and thrifted treasures, your garden becomes more than a space. It becomes a story, a reflection of patience, a celebration of second chances. From Rustic Garden Decor, recycled materials, and Farmhouse Garden Decor, Upcycled, to repurposed garden decor, rustic, and cozy handmade details. Every piece adds warmth, soul, and meaning. Your garden doesn't need to impress anyone. It just needs to comfort you. Here at Relax Garden, we believe the most peaceful outdoor spaces are created with intention, simplicity, and love for nature. And sometimes the most beautiful decor is what others overlook. If this video inspired you, if you love rustic, creative, eco-friendly ideas, if you believe in turning old into beautiful, like this video. Subscribe to Relax Garden. Share it with someone who loves DIY and rustic charm. And stay with us for more creative, timeless garden inspiration. Thank you for spending this calm moment with us. Until next time, stay creative, stay grounded, and let your garden bloom with stories, not just plants.